Can you tell me what your dream is?
Okay. From 2011 to 2012, I had a dream. Now, I was stole upon heaven, and I saw two tables with a throne in the middle. So it kind of looks like this.
What were they eating?
And there should be another one there. And there were people all around.
Was there not?
They were enjoying themselves, laughing, eating, laughing, and it kind of looked like this. But the only difference is this is much more wider. The men were dressed in robes. Some of them had purple slashes, others had red. And they were all here. One of them called my name and looked at me and said, "Hi, John," and laughed and continued eating. After that, when I was here, I was in the middle, viewing these areas. And after that, I had another image, a family, a mother, a father, a little sister, a brother, enjoying themselves as one family. They're all dressed in white robes. And soon after that, I woke up.
He got on crowd.
Did you see
He got on
Jesus?
car. Oh, Srilukuni Kumati Mikavan Chimgadot. Crown, I should make that too.
And there was one person here in the middle, which I think it would be Jesus. And he looked upon me as I looked here, there. I did a quick view. I was looking around, like make a quick left turn, and then he saw me and he said hello. I didn't say anything, and soon after that he said hello. Yeah, like I said, I went to this image about the family. Then I had myself found out I was back to Earth. And this is the planet Earth. And on the Earth, there were buildings, and huge ones, and there was a car, and then there was fires. I think I saw a plane almost crashing, and I also saw a bunch of souls going towards the ground, like beneath the cracks. And then I woke up.
Did the same.
Hey.
Did the same.
Vlay.
Well, I made a kind of thing.
Oh, like a Vlay chunga building poha. Mayan kang moto a crash. Then spirit minung like crack chunga like rock me like chua ankal. And then yeah, and then I think some people are chunga.
Some people chungan kai. Some people tanga.
Yeah.
Tanga.
Like tonight, like tanga before everything. First chunga ankal, and then then grahoy.
Kain rahoy.
Kain balay.
Balay na rahoy.
Yeah.
Balay na rahoy at since they have balay at umtran.
Then minun rock me airplane and track me.
Namu na.
Yeah.
Amasa amo balay arok mi umasa fast amo banchunga nakal masa.
Okay. Oh, another paper. Okay, can like first car. The dream to okay. First car. The dream to building and and minun like uncle sasok. Ema tiri tampi azit jelo mi and sasok. Then like Ting chika minungha antlau.
มันต้องเปลี่ยนเตาที่
Antlau.
With the
Then
บ้านนั้นไก่ที่
yeah, I think so. And then heaven chika kakal. And then me move edit and then my family and then village kumule and then and after me edit like chaos like airplane me minung fire. Yeah.
อ๋อห้องหูทาน
Yeah.
อันหูทานคันตีตกเลยนะตับเลยนะทังสมอ
Aye.
ลาดทำคันมีหนึ่งหูนาทีตกเอง
Yeah.
อ๋อมันนุ่งอันตาวเลี้ยวอ่ะคันมันนุ่งอันตาวจบมาเลี้ยวคันบะนางมาจงนัดเล่าเวลาบ้านจงนัดไกลไปที่สลายที่ไม่ค่ะมันนุ่งอันตาวโคคันนางมาบ้านจงนัดไกลที่
Yeah.
ดูเสียจนจีจัดเสียนางมันพันเด็กเขาไล่จีจัดเนี่ยนางมาคำพันอันดูจีสุนี่นางมาคำพันอันดูอาชีจงนั่นอุณาเต็นบอยปานเนี่ยสุมปานาใจมันก่อนหาเสราชนาอังเป็นหาเสนุปัตตะกาจอนจะเลือตัวนายทิมมิเส
The tail
ปัจเจียนเรียนจนละหรอวะ
the ton ko lai.
ปัจเจียนเรียนจนไล่บอยปาสินาราชนานะนะฮัลลามอ
just Michaela got chimkola bagaleaf now.
อ๋อจีจัสก่อนชิมก่อนนะแต่จุ่มลงมา
Oh.
ตั้มปินนะชิมเปียกทานจำเปียกละมอนะฮอยนุค่ะจีจุ่มเบลาเล่บ้านจงก็ไกลเบสมอ
See, what religion is she?
Huh?
What religion is she?
I don't know. She just told me.
Well,
She's Joe's sister.
I know. I'm gonna ask Joel tomorrow. On Monday.
Well, I got asked by the way.
What religion?
บอยปานี่นั่นอุณาเต็นอิมังก่อนนะเสบอยปานี่สุมปานักจักรเสอาเมน